is learning effective grammar important? This is an important thing to think about. The reason is speed, how fast we can read something. Here's a fact. People can read something that is poorly written, but they will do so more slowly. Here's level one is the 8 parts of speech. Each word in language belongs to one of the 8 parts of speech, and these parts of speech define what the function of the word is in a sentence. What are the 8 parts of speech? This is pretty much a review for most of you. Nouns, person, places, things, or ideas. Verbs are action words, but they also can be linking verbs, which serve to link a noun with another word. Adjectives describe nouns. Adverbs, most of them describe a verb, but some describe another adjective. They're adjectives that describe adjectives, and they therefore are lumped in this category. I don't know why, but that is the way it is, at least in English. Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns to make them shorter, he, she, it, they. Prepositions are location words. They tell us about where something is in time or space. Conjunctions are linking words that link together items in a sentence. And interjections inject emotion into a piece of writing by pausing and having that explosion of feeling. Okay, so we're going to walk through a bunch of words and decide which ones are which parts of speech. They are color-coded as the chart on the right shows. So let's take a look. Earth is a proper noun because it is capitalized. We're talking about the planet. We're not talking about the soil. Soil is lowercase e. In is a preposition. Red is an adjective. It describes a noun. Deeply is an adverb. It describes a verb. Run is interesting. It is both a verb and a noun. I ran to the store. The player scored 3 runs. You is a pronoun. But is a conjunction. Wow, interjection. The is an interesting one. The is an article, but articles are a subset of adjectives. The and an describe a noun. The car, a car. Write is a verb. Are is a verb. It is, again, one of those linking verbs. It helps link things together. You are angry, or you are going to the store. Paper is both a noun, a verb, I papered the walls, and an adjective, the paper plate. Over is a preposition. We is a pronoun. Effective describes a noun, therefore it is an adjective. Learn is a verb. And is a conjunction. Yea is an interjection. Knowledge is a noun. Great is an adjective. It describes something. Dread is both a noun, I am filled with dread, and a verb, I dread the upcoming test. Very is always going to be describing an adjective, and therefore it is an adverb. To is a preposition, whether it is being used to tell us location, to the store, or to go, to play, to do. Overly as an adverb. And it is one of those adverbs that does describe a noun, another adjective. Overly confident. 6 is both a number, therefore it's a noun, but it is also an adjective. 6 cars. Leads is a verb, but it's also a noun. He leads the team is a verb. He had a lead in the game is a noun. And last but not least, power is a noun, is a verb, to power the car, and a power plant is an adjective.